Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum.
I would like to ask how and when the prayers are shortened.
Sorry?
How and when the prayers are shortened.
Okay, when the prayers are shortened, this is qasr. Qasr prayers, you understand that the word qasr, have you heard this word qasr for the prayers? The shortening of the prayers. You know, in the ayahs that I was reading, before I was reading, it was mentioned about safar. So in the safar, there is no shortening of the prayers, not mentioned in the Quran. There's a different word I read for you in Surah An-Nisa 4 and 101. وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ إِنْ خِفْتُمْ أَن يَفْتِنَكُمُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنَّ الْكَافِرِينَ كَانُوا لَكُمْ عَدُوًّا مُبِينًا. When you strike on the earth, there is no blame on you if you shorten your prayers. If you fear the rejectors captivate you. Surely the rejectors are clear enemy for you. Now in the ayat the word is dharab. وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ. وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ means when you strike on the earth, there is no blame on you if you shorten your prayers. Further it says, if you fear that the rejecter will captivate you. Now first of all we have to understand what is dharab. Dharaba in Arabic means first meaning is strike. But there are other meanings in dharaba where it means that people who move about in the land for work. That is mentioned in Surah Al-Baqara 2. I will refer to ayat one more, where you can note down this ayat, where it says that there are people who do not in this earth. It's Baqara 2:273 ayat. Lil fuqara illadina uhsiru fi sabilillah la yastatiuna dharban fil ard. Again dharban fil ard. Charities for those in need who in Allah's cause are restricted from work. Now here dharaba fil ard means strike in they cannot strike in the earth. If I say lil fuqara, fuqara means poor. The charities for the poor, those uhsiru they are restricted fi sabil in the way of Allah. La yastati'una, they don't have the means. Darbam fil ard, they cannot strike in the earth. So darbam here they translated is they cannot move about in the land. Means they are restricted of not working. Darab means striking in the earth, or you are doing some work. So now if you are doing some work in one particular country or city, and you are meeting with a non-Muslim, having meetings and you are businessing, and you are having in the same problems, you are facing some problem in establishing a salah prayer at a particular time. So Allah says, وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ, you strike in the earth, meaning you are move about, we can understand, for work. There is no wrong in it that you shorten the prayers if you fear that the rejecter will captivate you. Now there are times that we are sitting in meetings, or you know beforehand that I will be sitting in a meeting and I will be Zohar time, and I'm living in a non-Muslim society, non-Muslim area, and I cannot take time for prayers. So what I will shorten the prayers. Normally the shorten of the prayer is expected that you have to travel. But no, you can do it even in one city. If you are fixed in a meeting, you can't have, you know that you are striking in the earth, you have to do some business, and you are meeting, and you will be restricted, and you cannot move about. So what you do is you can shorten the prayer if the rejectors will captivate you because of your business. You are captivated. So how you will shorten? I am explaining to you. Normally the practice is that in the Zohar prayers is 2 prayers, 4 rakats. So you shorten 2. Okay? But you will know that the meeting will continue and Asr prayer will come. So you will join the 2 Asr, shorten again of 2. So you pray at the Zohar timings 2 Asr also. So Zohar and Asr 2 you will join. Okay? So this is known as shortening qasr, shortening of the prayer. Now you are in that area, in that time, and you have already prayed Zohar Asr prayer, and your meeting will be pull on. So you have prayed also, no creating confusion in there. I have to go there, man, I have to pray. And you, the Christian boss said, no man, you sit down, where are you going? Why are you creating confusion? When Allah says, وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ, that means you are moving about in the earth for work and business. فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ, there is no sin in you. أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ, that you shorten the prayers. In khiftum, if you fear an yaftinakum, that they will you will be captivated, alladhina kafaru, from the rejectors, those who reject. Innal kafina kanu lakum aduwwun mubin, surely the rejectors are clear enemy to you. So what, instead of fighting them out, you shorten your prayers of Zara Asr joined together and pull on your meeting. Same, but you cannot join, remember this, you cannot join Asr and Maghrib. Because Zohar and Asr are non-loud prayers. You understand? So Zohar Asr can be joined. Now you know the meeting will come Maghrib Isha. So you can join Maghrib Isha. So because they are both loud prayers. So in Maghrib you don't shorten 3. 3 are not shortened. But the Isha will be shortened as 2. So 3 and 2 you join. Same, this Zarab can be taken as moving about also. Like from one place to another also. This was the same area you were striking, and now you're going into different areas. So you can shorten the prayer. So if you go from Mecca to Medina, I've been there, so people shorten their prayers like this because they know they have a big distance going on. They're going to say 8 hours, I don't remember how much big drive. 6, 7 hours, whatever drive, it depends on the very. So in between, if the prayer time comes, they join these prayers. So in Hajj also they join Zohar Asr, in Arafat, and when they come back to Muzdalifah, they join Maghrib Isha. So in any situation where you are restricted, if you're striking in the earth, you can shorten the prayer. And this is how the shorten of the prayer is mentioned in the Quran, and this is how you do it on the line, on the ground. Right?